Hi, my name is Katie. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in your Razer Powercore E90. All you will need today is one 12-volt battery. You could either get it as a 7 amp hour battery, which is the standard one that already comes in your scooter, or you could upgrade to a 9 amp hour battery. You will also need a battery wiring harness and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. So to begin, all we have to do is remove the 6 screws on the deck. So now that we have removed all 6 of the screws, we can now remove the deck from the scooter. And you will see that there are 2 bolts holding on a bar that goes directly over the battery. So we can again take the Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew the screws. And now we will take the bar off and we will remove the battery. So you may notice that your wiring harness is already glued onto the tab terminals. If that is the case, you will need to replace the wiring harness. So you can do so by disconnecting the connector. All right, to start, you could take your new battery and your new wiring harness. You could take your red wire and connect it to the red tab terminal, and your black wire to the black tab terminal. And you will also notice that there is a black fuse. It simply acts as a safety feature. All right, so now we could place the battery inside of the scooter. And you can connect the white plastic connector to the white plastic connector in the scooter. Until it clicks, and then simply push the wires down so that you will have enough room to put the bar onto the battery. Try and be sure that the screws align into the holes. And then you could screw it back in. And now we could put the deck back on. Snap it into place. Make sure that the board is aligned with the holes, and you can screw it back together. And there you have it. You have successfully replaced your battery in your Razer Powercore E90. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.